Good afternoon, students. Now we will discuss mathematics block 3. In block 3, this is learning plan 4, which is making a new number. Name of the chapter is making a new number. What do you mean by making a new number? What are you understanding with this? Making a new number. What you are understanding with this? For example, you have a number 3. Then we are making another number. We are making another number 5. This is the new number. So how the 3 will become 5? What we can do to 3 so that it can become 5? So either we should add or we should subtract. Here we are adding a number to 3 so that it is becoming 5. This is 3. After 3, 4 and 5. What we are adding in 3 to make 5? In 3 we are adding these numbers 3, 4, 5. So how many sticks are here? This is 1 and this is 2. We are adding 2 in 3 so that it is becoming 5. So how 3 is becoming a new number? When we are adding a number in 3, so it is becoming a new number. So also when we are subtracting, then also it becomes a new number. For example, again you take 3. Here 3 is there. So in this 3 I am subtracting 1, so removing 1 so that it is becoming a new number. So in 3, if 1 is removed, what is the new number it will become? What the 3 will become when I am removing 1? So 3 means, for example, there are 3 pencils. 3 is representing, for example, it is 3 pencils. In these 3 pencils, 1 is removing. So what do you mean by 1 is removing? This 1 pencil is cancelling. How many pencils are left? 1, 2. So this is 2. So here 3 becomes 2. When it is becoming 2? When I am removing 1 from 3. Understand? So like that, either if you add or you remove a number from a given number 3, then this 3 will become the new number. Understand? Now take another example. There is 5 here. In this 5 I am adding 3. So this 5 will become a new number. What is this number becoming new number? I am taking one more example here. For example, there is 5 here. In this 5 I am adding 4. So what this 5 will become as a new number when I am adding 4 in it. So how to find out the new number? So this 5, in this 5 I am adding 4. So these 4s are, again, it can be fruits or 4 balls or 4 pens or 4 pencils. It can be anything which is 4 in number. So in general I am drawing 4 lines here. these 4 lines. It can be 4 fruits, it can be 4 pens, it can be 4 pencils, or it can be 1 pen, 1 pencil, 1 fruit, 1 vegetable. It can be anything which is 4 in number. So when I am adding 5 with 4, so what it will become? After 5, I have to count from 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the 5 will become when I am adding 4? So this number will become as 9. The new number is 9. So what did you understood with this? Either when I am adding or I am removing, so the number becomes the new number. Understood? Now take this example. There are 8 pencils are there. In these 8 pencils, I am removing 3 pencils. So what is the number? 8 will become as a new number. What this 8 will become as a new number. So how to do this? This 8, initially we have 8 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 pencils. From these 8 pencils, I am removing 3 pencils. So I am removing these 3 pencils. 1, this 2, this 3. These 3 pencils I removed. I removed these 3 pencils. When I remove these 3 pencils, how many pencils are left with us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pencils I have after removing 3 pencils? I have 5 pencils. It means that from 8, when I am removing 3, so 8 becomes as a new number which is 5. Understood? Now we will see one example. Open your content book, page number 25. See the example which is at the top. So in this example, read the question. I have 7. I add 2. I add 2 more to make 9. Understand? So count the yellow squares. Then this yellow squares, how many this is yellow? Count this. This is 7 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 here. All this you count. It is clear in your textbook. Check in your textbook. These are 7 boxes are there. After 7, we have 2 more boxes which I am adding 2 boxes here. So this after 7, when I am adding 2, so total how many it is becoming? What is becoming as a new number? 7. This is 8 and this is 9. So 9 is the new number. Initially it was 7. 7 boxes was there. After 7, when I add 2 more boxes, then the new number 7 has become as a new number as a 9. Understood? Now similarly, see the next question. I have 9. I take away 5 to make 4. So first you count how many boxes you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 boxes. In these 9 boxes, how many boxes are being removed? 5 boxes are take away. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, it is 4, and this is 5. 5 are removed from 9. So how many boxes are left? Count the yellow boxes. Those boxes are left. So these boxes are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 becomes as 4. Initially 9 boxes was there. So it becomes as a 4 as a new number. So when it is becoming a 4 as a new number? When we removed 5 boxes from 9. When we removed 5 from 9, so this 9 become a new number. The new number is 4. Understood? Similarly, see the last question. I have 4. I take away 3 to make 1. So total how many boxes are there in the last? We have 4 boxes. Count these boxes. These are 4 boxes. So in these 4 boxes, we are removing 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. When 3 is removed, how many yellow boxes are left? 1 only. So like that, initially it was 4 boxes. From the 4 boxes, when 3 is removed, 3 boxes are removed, then it become 1. So 4 become 1 as a new number when 3 boxes are removed. Now on the same page number 25, we have skill building. So see this skill building and read from your textbook. Reasoning. Where do these numbers go? 1, 3, 4. So we have 3 numbers and 3 blanks we have. If you read the following question, below question, if you read, we have 3 blanks. So in these 3 blanks, you need to write 3 numbers. The question is like this. Nishi has dash toffees. Manish has dash more. Manish has dash toffees in all. So what is the number? What is the number it should be in the first blank? And what is the number it should be on the second blank? And what is the number it should be on the third blank? So this is the skill building. You need to think yourself. So try to write 1 and see that is it right or wrong. Then 1, then 3, then 4. So there are 3 blanks are there. First, for example, you are keeping Nishi has 1 toffee and Manish has 4 more. So Manish has total how many toffees? So keep another numbers 4, 3, 1 with different combinations and try to find out that Nishi has how many toffees? Manish has dash more, then Manish has dash toffees in all. So finally you find out how many toffees Manish has in all. Apply all possible numbers. Think why it can be 1, why it should not be 1, why there should be 3 or why there should not be 3. Think in different ways and try to get the correct answer. So this is you need to do yourself. And for doing this, just for understanding this question, you can discuss with your parents, but the exact numbers, what it should be on the blanks, you need to do from yourself. Don't take the help of your parents to get the numbers. For understanding the question, you can ask with your parents, but for not the numbers, what is the number it should be on the first blank, what should be the number on the second blank, this is your job. You think with multiple ways and get the correct answer. Think and get the correct answer. Okay. Now take page number 26 in the content book. We'll solve practice questions. So these questions already we discussed earlier. So wherever it is necessary, I will solve the problems. Otherwise, you need to solve the problems, take the image and forward in the group. Okay. So what is the question number 1? Can you read this question? The question is, write the missing numbers. So there is a boxes are given here. In the boxes, 2 numbers are given and 3 blanks are there. 3 empty boxes are there. We need to write the numbers in these boxes. Okay. So here 6 is there. So what can be the number here? What can be the number here? And what can be the number here? So how to do this? Can you help me to find out the numbers? Think. Can you help me? Okay. So can you read the numbers in forward direction? Forward counting can you do? The numbers in forward counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is forward counting. So we have the numbers here 6 and 8. What should I write it here? So we learn the before numbers and we learn the after numbers and we learn the in between numbers. So there is a 6 here. What is the number before of 6? There is 6 here. I want to write a number here and want to write a number here. So which number it should be here? So this number is before of 6. Left of 6 is before of 6. So what is the number here? Before of 6 is, it should be 5. If you read the numbers in forward counting, the number should be 5 here. After 5, it comes 6. 5, 6. Then 5, 6. What should be the next number? After 6, what should be the next number? What is the after number of 6? 5, 6, 7. Like this. This is 5 here. Then 6 is there. This is 7. 8 is there. After 8, 7, 8, 9. After number of 8 is 9. So these are the numbers. Now question number 2. Find one less and one more than the number 3. This is very easy. You need to do one less and one more for 3. We have solved many problems related to this. So you try and give me the answer. Question number 3. Show the given number in the 10 frame. This is also very easy. The number is given here 5. So you take the balls or you take the fruits or you take the vegetable, whatever you like. If you like ice cream, take ice cream. And in this frame of 10, you need to draw 5 things 5 times because there is 5 here. If you are taking ice cream, you should represent for 5 times. Understood? So you do this and send me the image. Okay. Now read the question number 4. The question number 4 is, write how many you have, draw more squares or cross out squares to make the new number. Make 6. So here initially you need to find out how many squares are there. Count and write 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many squares you have initially? 4 squares. Alright. So this is the answer of your first part of your question. In the second part, he is asking that you need to make a new number. The new number is 6. The new number is 6. You want to make it 6. Okay. To make it 6, if it is required, you add the squares. If it is required, you remove the squares from these 4 squares. There are 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are there. So you want to make it 6. To make it 6, should I add the squares or should I reduce the squares? Remove the squares. What should I do? So if you see this 4, 5, if you do the counting of the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you see this, 6 is bigger than 4. 6 is bigger than, if you add 1 to 4, it becomes 5. If you add 1 to 5, it becomes 6. It means that 6 is bigger than 4. 6 is bigger than 4. So what should I do? I should add. I am adding 1 here to make 5. I am adding 1 here to make 6. I should add the numbers in 4 to make 6. How many I should add? 2 times. This is 1. When I am adding 1, it is becoming 5. Again when I am adding 1, it is becoming 6. So in this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes I have. If I add 1, this become 5. When I am adding one more box here, it becomes 6. So how many boxes I added? 1, 2. I added 2 boxes. So he is asking that you add the squares here to make it 6. So I am adding 2 squares. Okay, understood? Now read the last question. Question number 5 in practice questions. What is this question? What should the next picture be? So here there are stars are given. There are 3 groups in these stars. So first it has 2. In the second group it has 4 stars. In the third group it has, how many stars are there in the third group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars are there in the third group. Just a minute. So in this sequence, how many stars should be there in the next group? This is the first group. This is the second group. This is the third group. If I am drawing the stars in the fourth group, one more group. In the fourth group again I am drawing the stars. So in that group, how many stars should be there? So can you think and tell me? Count here. How many stars are there? 1 and 2. There are 2 stars in the first group. So how many stars are there in the second group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars are there in the second group. So how I got this 4 stars in the second group? In the second group I got 4 stars. Initially there was 2 stars here like this. There are 2 stars. In these 2 stars I am adding 2 more. This 2, after 2 I added 1. I added 1 more. 2 stars I add. So this become 4. Initially it was 2. In the 2, in this 2 stars, in this group 2, I added 2 more. So this become 4. So understood? I got this number. So after that again I have this 4 here in this number. If I am adding 2 more stars, 1, 2, so I was having 4 stars here. I added 2 more. So how many stars it is? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 stars here like this. So what should be the number? What should be the number of stars in the next group? How can I find? So in the next group here, in this group I have 6 stars like this. So in this group, previous group of stars, I am adding, just a minute. Okay, so I have 6 stars here. In this previous group, if I am adding 2 more, because every time I adding 2 stars. So to get these 4 stars, I have added 2 stars in this group. To get this 6 stars, I have added again 2 stars in this group. So for the next group also, in this group, if I am adding 2 stars, I will get the number of stars in the next group. So how many stars will be there in the next group? So till here it was 6. This is the stars I have taken from the previous group. This is the stars I have taken from the previous group, which is 6 in number. After 6, this is 7 and 8. So how many stars will be there in the next group? After this, it will be 8 stars. So draw the 8 stars like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There will be 8 stars. Okay, understood? Now we have project. This is the project for you. So read this project. What you need to do? Write numbers 1 to 10, writing one number at each page. So the numbers from 1 to 10, on each page you write one number. On the first page 1, the second, another page 2, and on another page number 3, like that. 1, on the another page 2, the another page 3, like that. You write one number on each page. Okay, then show one more and one less than each number. So if it is 1, so what is the one more of this and what is one less of this? Can you tell me that? So one more means you are adding 1 here. So this number it becomes, one more is 2. 1 plus 1, it is 2. 1 is adding. There was 1 here. In this one, if you add 1 more, for example, 1 ball is there. So 1 plus this 1, it becomes 2. Understood? So this is 1 more. So you need to do for every numbers from 1 to 10. So what is less of 1? Less of 1 is, for example, you have 1 ball here. I remove this. So initially you have a number 1 here and you are removing 1. 1 less you are doing, removing 1. So for example, you have a ball. In this ball, you are doing 1 less. Means you are removing this 1. So what it will be left? How many balls are left here? So it is left nothing, because it was the 1 ball only and you removed that 1 ball. So it is left nothing. For example, you have 1 chocolate and after some time you ate that chocolate. Then how many chocolates are there with you? You have nothing with you now. So when you have nothing with you, then what you will call it as? This is 0. When you have nothing, it is 0. So I have done for the number 1. So similarly you need to do for remaining numbers. What is 1 more for 2, 1 less for 2, 1 more for 3, 1 less for 3, 1 more for 4, 1 less for 4. So similarly you need to do till 10. Okay. Then next point is show how many to make 10 for each number. So again I will help you for doing for any one number. Shall I take the number 1 again so that you can do the remaining all numbers? So okay, again I am taking 1 here. So in 1, how many, what number I should add it here so that this number become 10. How to do this? After this 1, I am drawing a lines here. Then afterwards, I will count the lines. This is 1. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understood? If I add so many objects in 1, then this becomes 10. So how many objects are this one? I need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 objects. So when I add 9 in 1, so this becomes 10. So like that you need to do for remaining all numbers. 2 plus what should be the number I should be added to make it 10? For 3, 4, 5. Similarly you need to do for all numbers till 10. In 10 what you will add to make it 10? In 9 what you will add to make it 10? So you do for all numbers. Okay. So now the last point is, so before that I will erase this here. Okay, read out the last point. Write number stories for that number. So you are writing one number on one page. So in the last point, he is asking that you need to write a number story for that number. For example, you have a number 1. So what is the number story? For 2, what is the number story? You need to write the number story. So here I am suggesting you, instead of writing the number story for every number, you do record the video and send in the group for each number. What is the number story of 1 and what is the number story of 2? What is the number story of 3? Like that you record the number story of all the numbers from 1 to 10 and send on the group. So I will give you the one example for one number. I am not saying any story, but I am sending you one link of YouTube. You follow the link and see the how to say the number story. This is the example of number 5. Watch that and see that how the number story can be said. So I am sending you for 5. So for the remaining numbers 1 to 10, you need to record the number stories and send on the group. Follow this link. So here there is a link of YouTube. You follow this link, write this link on your YouTube taskbar and watch this video. This is the number story of 5. So similarly you need to do for remaining numbers. Understood? Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's class. In this block number 3, additional practice questions and revision questions are left. So I will send you these questions. Additional practice will discuss and the revision questions will discuss as a part 2 of the same video. So we'll stop here. Thank you very much. Take care.